You're welcome to provide a solution given this nice algebra problem, which is 8 power half plus into the bracket negative 8 power half. This is equal to that 2. So what is the value of a? Now solution from here, we have that 8 power half plus negative a to power half. This is equal to 32. So we can write 8 power half as the square root of a plus, now here we can write negative 8 power half as the square root of negative a. This is equal to 32. The next step from here, let's take square root of negative a on the right hand side. So that now we'll have here square root of a. This is equal to 32 subtract square root of negative a. The next step here, let's square both signs. Let's square both signs here. So that now, here we eliminate the square root sign, and here we'll have a is equal to, now this is 32, subtract square. So we have a is equal to that 2 minus square root of negative a squared. This is in the form of a minus b squared, which we can express as a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So applying this algebraic identity, then we'll have a is equal to, this is 32 squared, subtract 2 multiplied by 32, multiplied by square root of negative a, then plus square root of negative a squared. So let's proceed here. So here we have a is equal to 32 squared, this is equal to 1024, subtract 2 times 32, this is 64, square root of negative a, and then here we square root of negative a squared, we eliminate the square root sign. So here we'll have plus into the bracket negative a. So then that implies that we have a is equal to 1024 subtract 64 square root of negative a, and then plus times minus a, this is negative a. The next step here, let's take negative a on the left hand side. So here we'll have a plus a, this is equal to 1024 subtract 64 square root of negative a. So here we have a plus a, and this is 2a, this is equal to 1024 subtract 64 square root of negative a. So let's proceed from here. So here we have 2a is equal to 1024 subtract 64 square root of negative a. So from what we have here, we can factor out 2 here, so that we'll have into the bracket here. This is the same thing as 512. If you say 512 times 2, this is 1024. Subtract 32. That's 2 times 2, this is 64. Then square root of negative a. Then you cross the bracket here. So let's divide both signs by 2. And then when we simplify here, we'll have a is equal to 512 subtract 32 square root of negative a. The next step here, we can take this 512 on the left hand side. So this is the same thing as a subtract 512. This is equal to negative 32 square root of negative a. Now let's rewrite this as negative 32 square root of negative a. This is equal to a minus 512. The next step here, let's square both sides. Let's square both sides, as you can see. So that now this is negative 32 squared. Negative 32 squared, this is 1024. Then square root of negative a squared, that implies we eliminate the square root sign. So this is negative a. This is equal to, now a minus 512 squared. This is in the form of a minus b squared, which you can express as a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Let's apply this algebraic identity. So here we'll have a squared subtract 2 times a times 512 times, no, in this case we'll add plus 512 squared. 512 squared. So let's proceed here. So here we have negative 1024a. This is equal to a squared. Now we have 2 times 512. This is minus 1024a, then plus 512 squared. The next step here, we simplify here, negative 1024a and negative 1024a simplifies. So here we have that a squared plus 512 squared, this is equal to 0. Now this implies that a squared, this is equal to minus 512 squared. So the next step here, let's get the square root on both sides. Let's get the square root on both sides. Let's get the square root on both sides. In this case here, we'll simplify here the square root sign. We eliminate the square root sign so that a is equal to plus or minus the square root of negative 512 squared. Now this implies that a is equal to plus or minus, we can express minus 5 squared as 512 squared times minus 1. And therefore, we'll have a is equal to plus or minus. Now, this is the square root of 512 squared. So these 2 and the square root sign simplifies. So here we have 512. And then the square root of negative 1. The square root of negative 1. This is the same thing as I. So here we have 5 plus or minus 512 I. So this is the value of a. So we have a equal to plus 512, and a is also equal to negative 512i. This is I. So this is the solution. This is the solution to this algebra problem. So thank you for watching. Kindly follow the steps, like this video and subscribe. Please subscribe, my good people. And thank you for watching.